mabuhay. This meticulously crafted tour package invites you to delve into the rich tapestry of Ilocos, seamlessly blending historical exploration with the inspiring beauty of its natural landscapes. Over 3 days and 2 nights, we will guide you through a carefully curated itinerary ensuring an unforgettable experience that caters to both the history buff and the nature. By the way, my name is John Patrick Galimba, your tour guide for today. Afternoon at 1 p.m. Prepare to be mesmerized by breathtaking Vitalis Falls. This majestic cascade plunges into a crystal clear pool, creating a picture setting perfect for relaxation. Take a refreshing dip in the cool water. Capture stunning photographs and let the tranquility of nature wash over you. Our guide will share captivating stories and legends associated with this natural wonder.
Ligahan, palabra-y eu vou saber o que quero fazer. Ligahan.
Late afternoon, 4 p.m. Journey to the enigmatic Mapisira, a geological marvel that stands as a testament to the power of nature. Explore the unique rock formations, learn about their geological history from our expert guide, and appreciate an artistic strokes of nature's hand. Enjoy picnic lunch amidst this extraordinary landscape, savoring the flavors of Ilocano while surrounded by breathtaking scenery. Evening at 6 p.m. Our exploration continues to Aluminac, a sidestep in history and mystery, uncover the intriguing stories and legends surrounding this significant location, guided by our expert who will shed light on its historical importance and cultural significance. Afterwards, check into your prearranged accommodation in Santiago or a nearby town, where you can relax and unwind before enjoying a delicious dinner at your hotel or a local restaurant, savoring the authentic flavors of Ilocos.
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo.
Ito in Santa Maria, Pinsal Falls. Morning at 8 a.m. After the delightful breakfast, we embark on scenic drive to Santa Maria, a town rich history and cultural heritage. Late morning at 9:30 a.m. Visit the magnificent Santa Maria Church, a testament to architectural artistry and significant landmark in the region. Explore the town, absorbing its unique charm and interacting with its friendly inhabitants. Enjoy a delicious lunch at a local restaurant, experiencing the warmth of Ilocano hospitality.
Baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth.
Afternoon at 1 p.m. Journey to Bustanar, a place of natural beauty and tranquility. Take a leisurely walk, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the serene surroundings. Our guide will share insights into a local flora and fauna, enriching your understanding of the region's ecological diversity.
Handa kong gawin ang lahat, makapiling ka lang. Walang hihigit sa'yo, ikutin pa ang mundo. Ako'y babalik sa'yo. Tanging ikaw ang sigaw ng puso araw-araw.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note, but don't worry.
Late morning at 9:30 a.m. Embark on a captivating journey through time as we explore Bigan's iconic landmarks. Wander along the cobblestone streets of Calle Crisologo. Marvel at the Spanish colonial architecture and visit the imposing Baluarte, a historical landmark that offers panoramic views of the city. Explore Plaza Salcedo, the heart of Bigan, and soak in the city's rich history and vibrant atmosphere. Enjoy lunch in Bigan, savoring the diverse culinary offerings of this remarkable city. Afternoon at 1 p.m. Depending on your departure time, you may have some free time to explore Bigan further, perhaps visiting a local museum, indulging in souvenir shopping, or simply enjoying the city's unique charm. Late afternoon at 4 p.m. We will transfer you back to your chosen drop of location, including your unforgettable journey through the heart of Ilocos Sur. Once again, my name is John Patrick Galimba. I'm your tour guide. Mabuhay!